This is a STEM program. My name is Dr. Valentine Ozibo. Valentine Ozibo. Dr. Valentine Ozibo is my name. I was in CIC. I left in 1985. How many of you were born in 1985? Before 1985? You were born before 1985? Oh, really? Anybody else who was born before 1985? Raise your hand up. Nobody. Okay, so by the time I left, none of you were born. But today I'm going to show you guys the practical plumbing 101 for non-plumbers. Is anybody a plumber here? Anybody a plumber? Okay, so all of us are non-plumbers. You are not plumbers, and I'm not a plumber. But the much I know about plumbing, I share with all of you. Okay? So we're going to start. Okay, so let's start from the first slide. Just use the arrow button. Okay, so it says plumbing 101 for non-plumbers. A CIC STEM academic education. So let's go to the next slide. So what is plumbing? What plumbing is? Does anybody know? You can tell from the board. What is plumbing? Give him a microphone. What is what?
Plumbing is the system of fixing pipes that are boiled.
Good. They say plumbing is about putting pipes together. But from what you can see in the slide, he's actually close to it. But plumbing is much more than that. Okay. So from what I have here, he said plumbing is a system that conveys fluid from a wide range of applications. And plumbing uses pipes, valves, fixtures, tanks, HVAC systems, toilets, potable water. There are so many things that you can do with plumbing. The word plumbing is from a Latin word. Plumbing is lead. I don't know if you have done the table. Is it called empirical? What is it called now again? Empirical table. Anybody? Okay, so if you do remember what lead is, does anybody know what lead is? What sign is lead? Iron is O. Is O. So what is lead? Does anybody know? What? PB. This is PB. That PB is from plumbing. Plumbing. PB. If you take the P, you get PB. That's what lead is in the bread. We're going to come back up. So plumbing is anything that helps us to manage water in the house. Your toilet, your shower, sometimes the air conditioner will have plumbing in it. These are all done with plumbing. The swimming pool, if you have swimming pool. What you have here is a swimming pool pump. This is an auxiliary swimming pool pump, okay? And these are all pipes, okay? So we're going to go back. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Next slide. So this is a brief history of plumbing. If you think plumbing started yesterday, think again. Plumbing started as far back as 2,500 years before Christ was born. 2,500 years. Guess where it started? Yes, in Egypt. They were using copper to do plumbing. But guess what? Copper is still used for plumbing, even today in some places. Copper is still used. If you go to check the hot water system, even today, they still use copper to preserve the hot water. As you can see, it started back in 2000 before Christ, and then it progressed when so it progressed in 500 BC when the Romans started using aquariums. They built something like a swimming pool today, and they go in there and they stay there to marinate them. And then it continued to progress up till when we had the first public toilet in public water system in Chicago back in the 18 something, and then it continued up till today to the modern plumbing that you see in the toilets, in the MSC, and then the new door that we built for you guys. Huh? So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so what do we use to make plumbing? What are the things that are needed for plumbing? The most important thing is that once the word plumbing comes to mind are the pipes, like the brilliant young